Absolutely not mine.
Where participants from middle school, 7th grade and 8th grade middle school girls and their mothers are part of a program that basically helps build and strengthen the dual relationship while learning about higher education and the pursuit of a degree in STEM. So part of the program requires them to attend a conference here at the university campus, and this conference is basically a day filled with STEM presentations where they get to hear from our different professors in the STEM field and also from the different organizations on campus that are related to STEM.
Pursue an opportunity and become passionate and stubborn with that opportunity.
Like experiments, the chemicals.
And I think it's nice for her to actually go into the STEM field because she will be able to learn a little bit of everything. And you never know, maybe it will be helpful in the long run. I'm very proud of you.
Thank you.
Was there anything you wanted to tell your mom?
I love you, Allie, and I have high hopes for you, and you have a lot of potential, and I'm very proud of where you're going in your life.
Yes, I do have potential energy.